Hey, it's Marissa. Today we're going to be drawing a retro 8-bit Pokeball. The first step we're going to take is to draw a big rectangle at the top of your ball. So I'm just going to draw a rectangle. Perfect. Now from one point of the rectangle, you're going to go down and then make a little smaller rectangle on the side. Just like this. We're going to repeat that same pattern but over on the other side. So go down from one corner, make it the same size, and then go across again. Try to make it the same size as your first one. Go down and in. Looks like it's making a Pokeball. We're gonna go down from one side, and then we're gonna go over and make another rectangle. So it's gonna go down, down, down a bit and over. There we go. Same thing on the other side. So we're going to take one corner and go down, down, down until you reach the end of your other side. So I'm going to go down, down, down and stop. And then we're going to go out this way. Now down, following that same line over here. Once you get to the bottom, close it off. There's your rectangle. Now I'm going to start over here again, and then we're going to go out, and then this time it's going to be kind of a larger rectangle than we've made before. So go down, there's a big rectangle, and then we're going to go down and across. Try to make that same rectangle but over here. So start on one side and go down, down, down. Try to create it so that it stops at that same point. So I'm just gonna go down to where I put my mark. Perfect. And then go out and then follow that same line down. Now I'm gonna close it off and form that rectangle. Looks good. Now we're gonna create the middle of our Pokeball with that circle in the middle. I'm gonna start kind of in the middle of my rectangle and then go out like that. We're going to form a square. There it is. If I did it to the side, I need to go over here and do it to the side now. So go out, out, and then in a bit like that. We're going to go over here again and then create a line in. Do the same thing, create a line in. Now I'm going to go down like this. I want to actually go just a bit more so it touches that other line like that. Go in, same thing on the other side. Go down until it hits this line and then go in. Looks good. I'm going to go in just a bit more on each bottom. So go in just a bit more. This is where we're going to start forming that circle in the middle by going up, up. This side we're going to go up, up as well. There we go. Now I'm going to close it up at the top. And then at the bottom, the same thing. I'll close it up. Now we're going to form kind of this rectangle that goes up and in. Same thing on the other side. Up and in. At the top of my rectangle, I'm going to go up and create a little square on top. There we go. Now at the bottom here, here's another square. Looks crazy, but it will look great when we color it in. So I'm going to go over here, close off that side, and then go down, over, and up for another rectangle. Same thing on the other, close it off, go down, down, try to make it the same size as the other side, close it off. Now we're going to go in, about here. Same thing in to about right there, and then form a rectangle. There we go. Same thing on the other side. Form a rectangle about this same size. And close it up. There we go. Our last rectangle is going to go here at the bottom. So go across. We'll go down, over, and then touch that side. Ooh, okay, a lot of rectangles, but let's start coloring it in and it'll look great. Time to catch some Pokemon. I hope you enjoyed drawing with me. If you did, give this video a thumbs up and please subscribe for brand new drawings. I will see you next time. Bye!